Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will try to draw this dotted triangle in Illustrator. So let's start. You have to take one artboard and then click on the polygon. Click on the screen and sides here we have to use a 3. Radius 40. Click OK. Fill we have to none and stock take a black and then click OK. Stock size here I'm using 8. If you want to increase the size, normally select tool, use a shift and alt, drag your mouse like this. Next you have to click on the scissor tool, click here, go to the object and then expand. Just untick the stock, click OK. Next we have to change the line like this and click on this stock. Here we have to click on round cap, click on dash line. Here I'm using 0 and 15. You can increase the distance. Here I'm using a 15, even you can use 12 or 18, 20, it's up to you. Clear? So let's change with the 15. Next we have to click on effect, distort and transform and then click on the transform. Here I'm using a 80%. You have to click preview so that you get the result. Again 80%. If it's okay then fine, even you can use 19 or 90 also, 75 also, it's up to you. And you have to click on the transform object and type numbers of copy you want. Now you can see. If it's fine then okay, otherwise you can increase like a 12, even you can increase and decrease the value of this thing. Here I'm using 80%. Now if you are okay with this design then click on the OK, otherwise you can reflect on x-axis like this, reflect on y-axis like this. It's up to you how you can do, and even you can use a random also. So here I'm just using a transform object and then click OK. Hope so it's clear. Thank you.